So this girl DM'd me, Curly Panda, I have around 3C curly hair and my mom is white. I just never really learned how to do my hair. I know I shampoo too often, but it's just how I was raised. I'm just having a hard time knowing how to even begin. I know usually you have a wash day and I don't get your hair wet for like a whole week, which is the hardest for me because I feel like my scalp would just be itchy. My hair is just super frizzy and I never have defined curls. I just wish I could sign up somewhere and get a whole lesson. I was adopted, so it's just hard just having parents who don't know how to help. So I said, I got you. Send me a picture of your hair and let me help you create a routine that is easy to follow. So she did. Isn't it beautiful? Now let me help you create a step-by-step routine that's going to be easy and is going to last you a whole 7 days. First step, let's pick a day to be your wash day. Mine is Sunday because I don't mind walking around with wet hair for most of the day. Start your wash day with a good cleansing. Choose a sulfate-free shampoo. I would use this pomegranate and honey shampoo from Ayel Organic. Focus on your scalp. Make sure you're scrubbing off any buildup. Shampoo twice if needed, and then just let it run through the rest of your hair. Completely rinse off the shampoo with warm water. Next is conditioner. Don't be afraid to use a lot. You want to create a slip so you can detangle while you're conditioning. Emulsify the conditioner between your hands. Focus on the mid to bottom section. Start detangling your hair with your fingers first to avoid any damage. And once you got all of the knots out, go over it with your detangling brush and make sure it's completely detangled. Rinse it off with cold or cool water. This will help close your cuticles, which makes your hair less frizzy. You're going to style your hair in the shower while still soaking wet, starting with a leave-in conditioner. Split your hair in 2 sections and then smaller section after that. Work the leave-in conditioner into each section. You can see the frizz is already going away. Then you're gonna layer the coils cupped in custard on top. Work it through your hair once again. Lastly, smooth it in with your Denman brush. This is going to get rid of any frizz and then repeat every section at a time. Remember, the smaller the sections, the more defined your curls are going to look. And if it looks frizzy wet, it means it's going to be frizzy dry. So get rid of the frizz by adding more product or smooth it again with your Denman brush. Do you hear this? If you hear this, that means you have done it right. Your hair should be this saturated with water and product. Squish your hair up to activate your curls. Put your hair in a shower cap. You're officially wet plopping. Now that your hair is dry, separate your curls and scrunch out the crunch. To make your curls last for 7 days, you have to sleep in a satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase. There's no way around it. So put your hair up in a pineapple. Get you a bonnet that has an adjustable strap. That way it doesn't fall out of your hair in the middle of the night. This is the key to keeping your curls lasting for 7 days.